What's up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, back for yet another Emax update today. So this is the updated price for the new coin on Emax. They dropped a new DEX Tools link on Twitter, I believe, and I think it's also on their website. Let's see if it shows the right one. Yeah, so they updated the correct DEX Tools link on their website as well now. So you can see we're up actually 55% on the day, and not the 98% drop that I thought we were having when I woke up this morning. But I was able to figure out how to buy the new coin that they released with the updated contract when they did their hard fork at 12:30 a.m. this morning and gave everyone about 35 minutes notice. So let's get right into that now. I have a screen recording of my Trust wallet here. So we're going to go to Uniswap right here. And so in order to, so this is showing my updated Emax balance, not the 870 billion that I had this morning of the dead coin. And so the way I did that was I talked to the guys this morning after I angrily texted them, and they walked me through how to do it. So I'll share that with you guys now. What you have to do is to search this coin. All you have to do is copy the new contract, right? So it says the new contract from their website. Let's see, go to the news. I'm going to paste this contract in the description below. Here we go. So you're going to go down here, copy this code here, this long string of gobbledygook, and then you paste it in here, and it'll populate the correct token address, and then you would go through the steps like you would for swapping it before. So you set the slippage. I found out the slippage will work as low as 3% slippage, so you get a little more coin out of that now. And then swap there, boom, and then probably gonna have to pay some more gas fees on this, but it is possible, and that's how you do it. And let's see, any other updates from the company on Twitter? Chase Bridges. So was this a rug pull? No. So yeah, a lot of people are thinking this was a rug pull. It was not, and we're going to have Justin on tomorrow to discuss the hard fork and all things Emax tomorrow afternoon. So if you have any questions for him, which I'm sure you guys might have a few, I've got a few myself, please drop them in the comments below. And please make sure you are subscribed to the channel to be notified as soon as our interview with him drops tomorrow. And thank you so much for watching this far. I hope this video helps you guys out, figure out how to buy the coin on the new contract address. And thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.